Welcome, in front of me is a BLUBOO S8 and today I'll show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel where you should find the hotspot toggle right over here. Now before you go tapping on it to enable it, you might want to first hold it where you can go into the settings and from here change the password of it. So let's go to the tethering and portable hotspot and then hotspot and tethering settings. Or wait, Wi-Fi hotspot, there we go at the top, and set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and there we go. So we have the name, which can stay as it is, it doesn't really matter, it's only the name that you will use to connect to it, and also the name that will be visible in all the Wi-Fi lists. And then below we have the password, which that's what I advise you on changing. By default, as you can see, it's just some kind of random mumbo jumbo that you can't really remember unless you spend a lot of time staring at it, but you can remove it and change it to something a little bit easier to remember. So the only thing that it needs to have is at least 8 characters in length, and once it does, you're basically all set. Then right here below you also have the AP band, which allows you to either use a 4 or 2.4 or 5 gigahertz network. Now this feature is the 5 gigahertz one. It will be better as in a signal, it will be stronger, faster comparing to the 2.4, but not every device will be able to connect to it. So if you choose the 5 one and you enable your hotspot and your device can't see your network, then you might want to go back here and change it to 2.4. It basically means that your device is too old and didn't really support that technology back then. So all you need to do is just drop it to 2.4 and it should then fix the problem. And also right at the bottom you have the maximum connections, so that's a limitation to how many people can connect to your network. So you can set it to 2 or whatever you want, it's completely up to you. And once you're done setting it up, tap on save and you can leave this, and from here tap on a toggle and your hotspot will now be enabled. As you can see, it also gives you a message right here, so tethering or hotspot active, and it gives you how many people are connected, and you can also block certain ones if you don't want someone, so it shows you how many are blocked as well. And once you're done with the hotspot, simply just again pull down the notification panel and tap on a toggle to turn it off. So that is how you would set up the hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.